Adil and Tikan. Next what? Tikan looks like a decent setup. Adil is just a pump stock. I don't know about this one, but this Tikan actually looks like there is some, buying behind this thing. Looks like a decent setup. I sold Tesla and covered Peloton before the close yesterday. I needed to, size down a little bit in my main account. I didn't like the weak close on it. It fell back into the base, but it is building higher lows. Tesla is building higher lows. Like, if it starts taking out that mid-high 430 area, I'm gonna rebuy it. SGMS? No, I don't think. Not yet, I don't know. Dada? Only if it gets some news and big volume. I don't like the setup itself. It's been going sideways, building higher lows, but it needs some kind of catalyst to get it through. Pins flag? Yeah, kind of. But the entry was down here. This is where the entry was. Or here. Here and here. Those were the two entries. Shui, I think it triggered yesterday, right? Yeah, it triggered yesterday. Yeah, Sohu. This is like the 5th day in a row. Yeah, it looks kind of okay. Not super excited about this thing. But it looks decent. Yeah, JD is on my long watch list, as you can see. But it's a slow one. None of you should trade JD. It's a good setup, but none of you should trade it. Why? Because it's ADR 2.8. I'm not sure I'm gonna trade it. I don't think I will trade it either. It's just too slow. Yeah, Apple, you know what? Apple looks great. This thing it's holding the rising 50-day. It undercut it, built higher lows. Now it's just surfing the 50-day. And, it's tightening up. It looks amazing. It looks like it wants to go back to 140. It looks amazing. Amazon too. This thing is also getting tighter. I mean, these mega caps are setting up nicely. And then NOX, yeah, maybe a few more days. Yeah, Zoom looks amazing. I talked about it like 20 times yesterday. Zoom looks amazing. Probably my main watch today. And W looks pretty good too. Tesla, well, yeah, the yesterday's candle kind of ruined the looseness or the tightness a little bit, but it looks fine. It looks fine. Look, if it starts breaking out that high 430 area, it looks fine. It was just a little bit of a shakeout. Only reason I sold, I sold it for a profit, a small profit. Only reason I sold, I had to, size down my margin a little bit. I didn't want to go crazy overnight, and I also covered Peloton just to get down a little bit. Yeah, the wheat stocks woke up. A lot of these beaten down shitty sectors woke up yesterday. It was the same thing with the oil and gas names and the wheat stocks, and there was some other shit sector that woke up yesterday. I don't know if it's a good sign, to be honest. Usually when the shittiest sectors start waking up, that's near the end of that's usually before a pullback. Not always, but many times it is. FUV, it's not really a momentum stock anymore. It kind of needs some news, I think, too. VVPR, yeah, I would say it's kind of late here. It's up 60% in pre-market, or 55. Unless it had some what's the news on VVPR, by the way? No, guys, I just talked about Tesla twice. No, I'm not gonna repeat myself for a third time in 10 minutes. Oh, wait, are they getting bought out? No, they're buying another company. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah, it's EV. Okay, oh, nice. That's hot. But yeah, I don't know about it. It's already, this thing is, it's already a 10 bagger since summer. I don't know. Can this thing go to 25 today? Absolutely. I just, you know, not for me. Oh yeah, oof. You know, I mean, if you really wanted to get it, you know, pre-market, you should have been on it earlier, right? When it, you know, started breaking out of the flag here and here. This is the third flag in pre-market. This, I don't see an edge here. How is OTRK after that breakout? Doesn't look too good. You know, it did put in another higher low in this pullback, but follow the sell rules. All you have to do is follow the setup. The setup was solid if you bought it on this day here. You know, now you just have to follow the sell rules. Not all breakouts go straight up. Sometimes they do, but you know, not all do. RNG is not a great trading stock. You can clearly see, look how choppy this thing is. It's an incredibly choppy stock. Like, you know, look at the past 6 months. It's just a, you know, don't trade this thing. There's no momentum. There's nothing here.